The world's strangest bird. One could say that the South American Huatzin is truly a strange bird. It makes a striking sight with its blue skin and red eyes, sporting a 4-inch crest of spiky feathers on its head. Young Huatzin have claws on their wings, allowing them to climb trees just like a monkey. This bird becomes an expert underwater swimmer before it can even fly. The Huatzin has one more odd characteristic that scientists find the most puzzling of all. 95% of its diet is leaves. It's the only bird known to digest its food the same way cows and other ruminants do. Just like ruminates, the Huatzin uses bacteria to break down the plant material it eats in a special chamber above its stomach. How do evolutionists explain this oddity? As one evolutionary scientist who has studied the Huatzin for decades said, Huatzins don't seem to follow the rules of evolution. While he admitted to being creative in being able to come up with evolutionary explanations for creatures, he said that he was never able to arrive at an evolutionary explanation for the Huatzin's digestive arrangement. This leads us to glorify God for one more aspect of his creative work. In creating the Huatzin, he was able to design a creature that defies any evolutionary explanation that humans might try to invent to deny that he is the creator. Truly, the creation declares his handiwork.